Up to you. It's whatever's in the image. Oh, actually one thing. It's on 50, good. Yeah, the frame lines are on 50. Make sure to pay attention to your frame lines. Yeah.
Last year, I had bought my partner Ching a film camera for her birthday. She really liked my Canon 7, but I couldn't let her borrow it as I had a number of projects where I was using it. So I bought her the same camera. But unfortunately for her, it had a sticky shutter issue. So I sent it off to my local repair guy, though I didn't see the camera for several months. Unfortunately, it wasn't ready for her birthday last year. We then got it back in late February. It then sat on the shelf for several months before I decided to put a test roll through the camera. Unlike most of my trips, this one was about Ching. It was Ching's time to eat whatever she wanted, photograph what she wanted. It was all about her.
Is there an insect? I'll get it out. Happy?
Don't know how it would look like, but I kind of want the tail, but also want the straight as well.
Why is it 22 and 500? Simply because you're pointing right at the sky. Like you need...
Yeah, probably should have not shot this on expired film, especially Kodak Max, which is the predecessor to Ultramax. This time I am doing the B-roll and just following Ching all around wherever she wants to go. When asked, I provide advice and explanations on the rules of photography, such as the Sunny 16 rule, which was difficult to implement as the clouds were popping in and out above very quickly, with sometimes within seconds blocking out the sun. Ching is now a real film photographer, experiencing film going bad and losing a good photo. To make up for the expired film, I've put 2 of my rolls of Portra 400 in her little film collection in the fridge. On our last day, we went to the zoo. Zoos are one of her favourite places to go. It was an easy place to burn through the rest of the roll of film before we had to head back home. I don't know about you, but zoo photos when I was a kid helped build my passion for photography, and it might just do the same thing for Ching. She now has a working camera, and a good one as well. Whilst it's not exactly an entry-level camera, it does take good photos when your film is not expired and has excellent lenses, and I'll be there to support her and provide knowledge when needed.
Yeah, it goes shortly before it decides to... keep it around the same. Maybe turn it to 125.
I can't wait to see more photos Ching takes. As always, it's been real, guys. Until next time.
No? You able to take a photo? Yeah, take it now.
I just push it.
That might be the end of it. That might be the end of the roll.